Today, I'm going to show you how to add product categories in Shopify. This is a crucial step for organizing your store's inventory and helping customers find exactly what they're looking for through better navigation and filtering options. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and type in shopify.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will bring you to your store's admin dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online shop. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left side panel where you'll see various menu options. Click on Products. This section is where all your store items are listed and managed, making it the central hub for inventory control and product organization. Now, you'll see a list of all the products currently in your store. Find the specific product you want to add a category to and click on it. This will open up that product's detailed page where you can edit everything from its title and description to its pricing and categorization. On the product details page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Category. Right below it, you'll see an empty field. Click on this field to begin assigning categories to your product. This categorization system helps Shopify understand what type of product you're selling and can improve how it appears in search results and filters. First, you need to select a general category for your product. Let's say you're selling clothing items. Type apparel into the field and click on it when it appears. This sets the broadest category level for your product, establishing the foundation for more specific classifications. If you want to get more specific with your categorization, which is highly recommended for better organization, click the field again. This time, let's select clothing to narrow it down further. After that, you'll want to continue refining by selecting activewear from the options that appear. Then, click on activewear tops to get even more precise. Finally, select T-shirt as the most specific category. This multi-level categorization ensures your products are properly sorted and easy for customers to discover through filtered searches. Once you've completed setting up all your category levels, click Save at the top or bottom of the page. This will apply all the changes you've made to your product. You might need to wait a moment while Shopify processes and saves these updates to your store. And there you have it. You've successfully added product categories to your Shopify item, making your store more organized and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.